like we do it.
Hi, Mom. Good morning, guys. It's June 10, 2025, 7 in the morning, and maaga akong nag-alarm para mag-breakfast, and then plan ko today is mag-sunbath and mag-jet ski and kung ano pa yung gusto ng mga kids. So, dapat ma-enjoy namin today kasi 2 nights lang kami dito sa resort. Yan guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung papakita ko sa inyo yung view. So, ito yung view pag morning. So, ayan yung view, guys. Good morning! Ayan. Kita-kita kaluluwa mo dyan. Tsaka pala kami kagabi, nagtambay. Nagtambay kami dyan. Alam niyo na yun. So, guys, mag-breakfast tayo. Gigisingin ka na yung mga bata and yes. Oh my. Paano? Your favorite dam? Later na mag-eat sa tag-rice. Okay? Muna yung sauce. And then salad. Potato salad. Garlic rice. Masalay. Chicken. Love. Talong and okra, my favorite. With bagoong. And syempre dilis. Sweet and sour. Ako, coffee ko lang. Chicken adobo. Beef tapa. Pork porcino. And this we have this. And then baked beans. Baked beans, love. Katsu. Chicken sausage. This one. You want chicken sausage? Huh? Bacon. Bacon. And guys, ang dami yung pagpipilian sa breakfast. Nandito naman tayo sa pork cold cuts. And cheese. Assorted cheese. Ayan, sa mga mahilig ng cheese dyan. Ayan, dito yung cheese. Cut. And of course, yung mga vegetarian dyan, pwede kayong mag-salad. And pwede kayong maka-mix and makagawa ng sarili yung salad. And with dressing na Thousand Island, ranch dressing, Italian. So, ayan guys. Dami na magpipilian. And then sa bread, ayan. Yes. Ang daming cake. Ayan, ang yummy. Soft roll and cheese. Pandesal and saymara. Danish bread. Ayan. This is Alexa's favorite. This blueberry. Ano? Diri ka na. With mushroom and garlic.
Mommy, it's frosted
Cake. Share mo, Alexa. Share mo.
You need something? You want orange juice na? Oo, could be. Then, pineapple. Yeah, this one. Yep. And then, yeah. You want pico? And this one is cassava cake. Cassava cake. Coco Crunch. This one ako. Try this one ako. This all. Cherry. And blueberry. So yummy. Wala sila serving spoon na. 2. Try 2. Guys, sobrang busog. Ang dami nilang food. Yung diet mo, ipapas mo na talaga. Next, bukas ka na ulit mag-diet. So, ang dami ko nakain.
Some of them are ready.
Hi.
AJ, eat.
Hi, Ben.
Eat this one. No, you should have ate that.
Didi. Look up. Look up.
Stop. No, you move.
Hey, hey.
La na, check.
So guys, what's up? At andito tayo ulit sa ating mahiwagang mirror. And mag-gym nga pala kami. So ito yung outfit ko, aura namin. Pero mag-gym kami ng naka-sleepers kasi wala kami shoes. So, ayan. Aura. Dili mo magpabadlong kay kuya, ha? Balik kami. Dali na kay me. Did that. Magpabadlong kay kuya. Si kuya rin. Thank you. Salamat, sir. Wow. So guys, for today's video ay magla-legs tayo ng nakapaa. Oh my God! Wow! Ito yung second set. 7.5. Same. 15 reps. Shoulder. Ito yung last. Hey guys, kung mag-gym ka dire, nasa life free banana. Hey guys. Go! Dalawa, bye-bye. Gym and pauwi na karon sa amo ang vela. Dan, ang isa. Waiting ni karon sa mong heart. Okay, layo kayo ang